how can I engage my audience on my IG stories? All right, here are a few ways that you can go about that. Number one, you can share BTS or behind the scenes content where you'll be showing glimpses of your personal and your professional life as well. Number two, you can share content that you consider as inspirational and motivational for you. Number three, you can share tips and tricks related to your industry or general tips and tricks that are helpful for your audience. Number four, you can share your opinion on the current events or whatever's trending at this moment. This helps them understand you better as a person. Number five, you can share customer testimonials as well as your success stories. Number six, you can share before and after transformations of your customers. Number seven, you can share the Q&A box that happens, so you have a Q&A session with your audience. Number eight, you can share the process behind creating a new product or service, or even your journey as a solopreneur. Number nine, you can share some of the tools and resources that are helpful for your audience. Now for me, I think that IG stories are just a great way for you to show off who you are as a person, show off your personality, show off how you show up in this world. All right, hope this helps.